Hello everyone, I am Srishti, a student at IBS Bangalore, and I am here with Dr. Geeta Sarma, the coordinator for IFHE Center of Excellence for Sustainability. So hello ma'am, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
So I think IBS is moving toward a theme for sustainability. We have stopped doing wastage in terms of posters and sticking pamphlets. Also in SEM 1 we had a class for sustainability, and it was also included in our economics curriculum, one chapter on sustainability. So regarding that, how do you think MBA students and MBA graduates could take steps further to further this initiative and work towards the cause?
I'm so happy that you asked me that question. All of us have that responsibility to move towards sustainability. But MBAs, budding managers like you have a special place in terms of taking responsibility of sustainability. Purely from business point of view also, of course, we are taking a lot of initiatives here within our campus. But what comes to my mind is because of all the initiatives, you have been oriented to sustainability and sustainable practices, reducing your carbon footprint, so on and so forth. However, from a business point of view, when you move to your workplace, when you start working in companies, okay, you know that this moving towards renewable energy will have a huge impact on a lot of things. For example, production, it will impact. It will impact your finances, it will impact your operations, right? Everywhere there is a huge impact when you move to renewable energy. And that way, as MBAs, you will also take very informed decisions, and so that you strategize better. So that is one thing that I see happening because of all those small little initiatives that we are taking. Your innovation, your entrepreneurial orientation, everything is going to play out rather strongly.
Yeah, very true, ma'am. Like what you're talking, since we are oriented, we could come up with creative ideas. Like recently, I read a news about Coldplay. When they do concerts, they have floors embedded with sensors and energy catching. So when people jump while enjoying the concert, they catch that energy and use it to source the concert again and use it for electricity generating and other purposes. So it's a very good, we could come up with creative ways to actually use alternative sources of energy. It was great talking to you, ma'am. Thank you for your insights. And we hope we could move towards a better future.
Absolutely. I really truly hope that all of you are going to really become the torch bearers of sustainability. You advocate sustainability and make this planet a better place for not only you, for the future generations coming.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.